You should know how to ruin your life. So you can save it or destroy it. It's all up to you. Hey everybody, and here's a new part of the story. Let's build the foundation of new better life. Now it's not just only about you and me, it's also about the world behind you seeking for your progress. Now get up boys and girls and take your responsibilities. For you or yourself, leave the world behind and first put yourself forward. Forget about all the fantasies that you have made. Stop crying and start building something for yourself. Maintain your personality, maintain your self-discipline. But today, I'm not here to give you such gyan. And I will not say to follow this and that or apply this and that rule in your life. Instead of these all things, today I'm here to save you. Save you, your life and your time. Do you know you should change your way of living? Bring a little change every day. Write your thoughts, whatever it is about. Happiness, sadness, depressive, melancholy, just write it down and think upon your thoughts that where you are lacking in it and accept your flaws and work on it. See different type of videos, search for your wants, give yourself a little more time. Stare on nature's beauty, praise the efforts that nature makes for you. You would never know the nature's prediction. What next in your life? How to deal with it? A simple message from my side. Please live your life. Live life, don't make it curse. Please, it's my humble request. Live life, don't make it curse. Do something amazing, explore something new. Because you would never know that which turning point is waiting in your life. Do hard things, do things which scares you. Talk to random people. Take a lone walk on the streets you never walked. Love yourself. Read a book. Write your own book. Share your thoughts. Share your experiences. Talk with people, walk with people, break yourself down, hit to the ground, praise yourself, uplook yourself, admire the beauty, be a little crazy, take a random lift, give your mindset to a little shift, be a little stupid, nobody else is going to think of it. Be a genius mad. I don't know what's in your mind, but listen me. Life is not just about your boundaries. Come out from your comfort zone and discover something new about yourself. Replace your boringness with curiousness. Don't be sad, depressed. You are here to achieve something great. What you will get with depression. So let's go guys, this is all for today. We'll meet in the next video and all the best for your new experiences. Until then, bye bye.